Welcome to CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence Installation with SMPE JCL video. This video demonstrates how to prepare datasets for installation. The members are located in the product installation directory. To prepare the SMPE environment, customize the macro FHRS edit with your site-specific information, and then copy the macro to your sysproc location. First, specify the account number, job class, and message class in Job Card 1 and Job Card 2. Customize the further Job Cards 3 and 4 if required. In the SMS information for Vol Info section, specify the management class, storage class, and data class. In the SMS information for CSI Vol Info section, specify the management class, storage class, and data class. If you are using SMS volume names, delete these lines and specify the volume names manually by uncommenting and editing the lines below. Next, enter your high-level qualifiers, units, and zone names. Enter your support online email address that you want to use to receive the hold data. Enter your SMPE Global Zone and CAIT0 Target Zone high-level qualifiers. We recommend you set the product HLQ as the same value that you specified in the JCL that was used to unzip the PACS file. Enter the high-level qualifier system and SMPE temporary library dataset. Enter the disk unit name and year of the CARS assigned statement file. Enter the high-level path of the SMPE network temporary store directory. That is the complete path of the product directory where you unpacks the PACS file. Enter the Java home path. We recommend keeping the default zone names. You are now done with the customization of the FHRS edit macro. Now you can use this to customize the other jobs. To customize the sample JCL members, copy the FHRS edit macro to your CList location. Open the sample JCL members one by one in an ISPF editor session and execute the FHRS edit macro command from the command line. Alternatively, you can edit the FHRED, all recs, to customize all the members at the same time. Set the user DSN variable to the sample JCL location. Executing this rec script will run the FHRS edit macro on all SMPE JCLs and customize them all at once. In the next video, you will learn how to receive, apply, and accept SMPE-based functions. For more information about the procedure and product, please go to CA DCI online documentation in Broadcom Tech Docs. Thank you for watching.